Obedience, pay attention. This news, they very important. I beg, just give me your time. These politicians, they don't try every strategy to use rig this coming election. It don't dey very clear to them, say their plans no go work. So now, the new plan now to cause confusion on the election day for people who won't vote for Labour Party. So now, they don't go make party will look like Labour Party. ZLP, Zenith Labour Party. No be just that one, no. The color of their logo look exactly like Labour Party logo, wey be green, white and red. E no end for there. Their logo carry mama, papa and pikin. And then understand say all this why we they do sensitization. Wetin we dey tell people now the logo we carry mama, papa and pikin. So now they don't bring that kind of logo too. We look like our logo. So that when people won't vote for Peter Obi, then go make mistake, vote for this Zenith Labour Party. But now, I go like make you share this video. Make people understand say Labour Party logo carry just 3 persons. 3 persons. We be mama, papa, pikin. Their own logo now, this Zenith Labour Party, it carry 5 persons. So make we begin share this broadcast now. Make every obedient know say now the logo we carry just 3 head. Now you go vote for. Now the logo we carry 3 head. Now be P2B party. Make you no feel say this their new strategy no go work. It go work. Because they don't try them 2019. It work for them. That is the major reason we make PDP lose from my research. Now listen to me. In 2019, when PDP been there on top, these people then create a new party where they call PCP. PCP. You know, their logo na exact color with with PDP. And the same man, their candidate that time, their presidential candidate, na Nicholas Felix. Now be their presidential candidate. Let me shock you. After the presidential results, this PCP come out second. Why PDP come out third? Because people supposed to vote for PDP, go vote for PCP, thinking say na PDP they vote for. This same man here they tell you today, presently, he's under APC. Now APC people now do that thing just to fit use destabilize, to use confuse people who supposed to vote for PDP. So they don't come up again now to bring up that same strategy so that people supposed to vote for Peter Obi will go vote for this party. Why they go stand on top? Because in 2019, APC come out number 1. PCP, maybe that nonsense party where they use confuse people, come out number 2. Why the main party be PDP come out 3. So we need to share this broadcast. Make every Labour Party people, every obedient person, share this video. Make people get to understand, say, this Zenith Labour Party, na party they don't bring to use confuse people, to use make people no understand the difference between Labour Party and Zenith Labour Party. So make una share this video. Make people understand, say, Labour Party, na just 3 heads there. Now just 3 head. Why did that Zenith Labour Party now 5 people down? So I beg on in the name of God. I beg on in the name of God. We no one risk this thing for any reason. We cannot lose now. They are plotting, they are planning the way forward to ensure say they rig this election. Make we draw our bells to the ensure say information go round. Make this information go round. I beg on in the name of God.